What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading. Ooh, something just came on. Hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful day today. We just did so amazing with the trading again today. 4 stocks, 4 solid executions. A little front run on the Ross the Boss, doing it to his room. Came out with another video today, quite amusing. Let me just set my thing right here. So, what's going on? Let's say hello to the MOJO Day Trade Room. Nice, good job, Mr. Sodman. Nice trading. I want to see you tracking sheets, definitely. See what kind of higher price stocks you traded, like Moderna and the alike. Ooh, Tiger not doing too good today. Watching finally came on the TV. Turn on my heating pad. Still got my back issues. Alrighty. Alright, here we got TradeX platform right here. Amazing. Customized just for MOJO Day Trading and the traders. This is where we do all the trading off of right here, guys. Go in here. I'm going to change the color to red so you could see it. So right here, we got all the buttons. The buy and sell buttons. That's limit orders. These are market orders. You got the 100, the 200, the 500, selling half the order, selling all the order. Really nice. Hotkeys, they work real excellent. Further customization coming along. Traded some really excellent stocks today. Show you what we traded right here. VRNA. I click this button right here, watch. I'll buy 100 shares. Boom. Position. 100 shares bought. I've made $1,000 so far in VRNA. I'm going to trade it up through 13. So I got 700 shares. I'm not front running or nothing. The stock's traded 82 million. I just pulled it up. I've already made $1,000 on it today. It's not my biggest winner by any means. Let me get up to 1,000 shares. Well, the other stock I traded today was right here, VCNX, 762 by 66 right here. There we go. This one actually looks good to go higher too. And buy 100 of those. And there you go. I've made 19,068 on total P&L on VCNX. And the other one traded today was APDN, $11 down here. Bramble, I'm not going to trade. It's up 12. APDN, we'll take a look at. Been up to 1330 on APDN. Like it down here at 1105. Take 100. Made $6,000 trading APDN earlier. And the other big one was Ramble, RMBL, 2297. High 2490. It's a 23. Let's see what we made on that one today. That was the biggest winner, 13,685 on that one today. And that's been my day. Trading those stocks with the MOJO Day Trade Room. Here's the MOJO Day Trade Room. So let's see, we traded those stocks, and by 9:58, Tella made 153, Timmy V 237, Allen 31 hundo, Pat 140, 1,068 there by Nasir, Diz 109, Honcho 300, Batman 644, Bloom 2,381. Missed the money, 1,669. That's ringing the register right there. Absolutely. RK's at 450 now. And there you go. That's a beautiful day in the MOJO Day Trade Room trading those stocks. Let me show you where I bought and sold them, babies. Alright. I'm going to buy some VCNX right here. 752 by 63. Let's see what they get. They gave me 63. Ramble. RMBL right here. 2320 by 2311. APDN. Alright, let's show you this one right here. This opened back here this morning. Traded against Ross Cameron from Warrior Trading. So as soon as he pulls it up on his screen, know exactly what he's going to do with it. Let me show you the stock this morning and yesterday. My machine's a little slow. Hold on a second. I'm up right now on VRNA. I'm up 219. And it's in Heinz. I'm going to sell half right here at 19. So let's go 13, 18, 13, 19. And put the shares to 500, 400, and click set up. Let me take it off stop, put it on limit. 13 and 19, sell. Okay, that's in there. So this morning, this VCNX. Let me go back on the chart right here. Let me move these other windows if you don't mind. So check this baby out. A little slow. Okay, there we go. That's the stochastics. I use that in my trading. So this is the 2-minute chart on VCNX. Let's go back to the open. Five-minute chart. Very slow loading the new platform with the charts. Alright, so here's VCNX. Okay. All right. So here's 9:30. Right here. So you could see this right here. This is pre-market. The market opened right there on that volume bar. And that's Ross telling his room, we're going to buy this stock. So what happens is this stock traded right here. $2,700 shares. Right here, 9,000 shares. So keep in mind, like that other example, 36,000, he bought that. He has to sell it too. So that's 72,000 shares of stock on this LGHL yesterday. The other one I'll give you an example on. So this one this morning, he gets in right here for the break of 7 and calls it out to the room. And as soon as he calls it out, he sells it. And it goes right down, and they all get burned out. Then he rebuys it on the dip, calls it out to the room again. They come in and buy right at the Cupid top right there, the heart. He sells right into, and then look at the big reds. 1, 2, 3, right back down to where they bought it. Look at that destruction. So he buys, calls it out, cashes in. Everyone loses right there. He calls out the buy right here. He buys it, calls out the buy right there, sells it right there as everyone comes in. Now they're all long, thinking it's going to go higher even, and then it gets crushed. Right back down to where it started. Then, right here, they all get auto-closed, which you could see right here is the biggest bar. See this volume are all auto-closes from here. All these reds is all the selling. So this is him in the room buying and then them selling for a big loss. And they keep it down all day long. So this VCNX. Then LGHL. This is the one, what's his name? And I spoke about it yesterday also on my Twitter. So this pattern should look exactly the same. See, exactly the same. So this bar right here is 930. And you could see what they've done with it. Let me just blow it up a little bit. Okay, so check this out. This is yesterday. So right here is 930. That's the open. So no one could read. A lot of people, they can't buy until the market opens. So it's accumulated right here. See that? Because it's seen just like the other one. That's pre-market. Here's the open. And this is where he buys. This is the call out right here for the break. Everyone comes in and buys right here. And it Cupid tops. It never goes to the next stage where everyone needs it to. And then right there, it flushes. So there's the first group that had tight stops that lost. The next group here got destroyed. They took all your shares right there. That's group 3. And then group 4 down here is just the people that could hold forever and just took the biggest loss. And look where it is. They'll never let it go back up because all your money will go back into your account up here. The institution, the firm you're with right here has all your money. They will do everything in their power to keep shorting it lower. And why could they keep selling it and selling it? What if there's no buys to cover it? Well, they have all your buys right here. So from the firm side, that's what happens. From the chat room side, that's what happens. That's why 9 out of 10 traders lose. because the guru and the moderator is trading against you, and the firm is trading against you. And if you don't have a sure shot system, you are going to lose. And that's LGHL yesterday. And I can show you 1,000 examples of all the big wins. Look at the stocks that they traded, how it did pre-market. It made a move, came down, showed it's got some motsy. Then, oh yeah, this thing's got some motsy with very little shizzle, very little punch. If I freaking punch the crap out of it when it opens, that thing will rock it up. I could make a fortune. Who wouldn't do that, right? The more followers you have, the more money you could make. So the other day, he made $94,000 off his chat room in one day, and the firm's holding all the losses to offset that. It's pretty fucking crazy. Pretty crazy. So that's what happened with the stocks. Let me show you the same thing happened right here. Look at my Moderna. Come on. I'm actually going to close this. See if I can get a little quicker speed. Let's go AMD. Advanced Micro Devices. There we go. Ching. Let's keep it on the 5-minute chart. Yep. And change the date to today, the 17th. Apply. Done. All right, rattle me some change.
Awesome. Totally sweet.
All right, what do we got? Verna, 1273, 84 million shares. Verna, I don't even know what they do, who they are, what it is. Let's check it out and see what the news is and what they do on Verna. VRNA. And we'll see what the watch list did this morning. This is coming down, guys. The MOJO Day Trading course. This is your last chance to enroll and become a member of the chat room and get the course for free. That will be gone this weekend. Congratulations to everyone that got the MOJO Day Trading course for free. Congratulations. You guys did great. So what else we got? Let's see. And not much. I think it's going to be a short show today because I did some good trading this morning. So let's see what the watch list did. The watch list went up at 9 a.m. APDN went up there at 1350. At 1350. And last price is there, but the highest scalp was $1.34 from that. BNED, it only went up 3 cents. HMHC went up 28 cents. MDGS went up 17 cents. Ramble went up 5.90 and SPCE went up 2.78. This one's actually higher, lower, 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 lower. There you go. That's a good day on the watch list. Let's see what's happening over here. Look, I got no viewers. See? 0. Look, 0 viewers, guys. Look. See? 0. MOJO doesn't front run. I don't front run nobody. Who am I going to front run? Nobody even watches. No one even watches. See that? 0 viewers, guys. 0. Did you know NASCAR driver Bubba Wallace is showcasing the Bitcoin on his car? Want to see what it looks like? Right here. I like that. Cash App, Camaro. What the hell am I talking about? Camaro. There you go. Bitcoin in the Roin. Cash App, baby. Nice. You know who's getting in on that? Jack. That's the guy from PayPal and Twitter. That's the Bitcoin Jack. Look at that. At Jack. Has 4.7 million followers. He's moving 1 billion of his Square equity, of his wealth, to start a fund for COVID. And he's also put that amount into a Bitcoin. Yeah, how much Bitcoin does he have, I bet? I bet he's got a lot of Bitcoin. I bet he has a lot of Bitcoin. All right, guys. That's nice. That's nice with Jack. Let's see what else we got. Oh, my watch list was up there this morning. I told you. You should watch that. Going up at 9 o'clock. 14 picks today on the Trade Ideas Scanner. Now, this weekend I got another newsletter coming out, guys, which will have swing picks in there for this weekend, which will be on next week's Trade Ideas Scanner. Let me show you the 14 from today. Ramble, RMBL. Picked it at 20 cents. It's $20. It split to 2, went to 10, now it's at 20. They provide online, let me show you the winner right here. RMBL. Right here, Ramble on at 21 cents. They have a 999% increase in earnings 3 quarters in a row with increased earnings. They operate e-commerce for consumers and dealers. But this was on my watch. It didn't come out until it was up on volume at 20 cents. Then I picked it. This was just my watch the week before. So APDN at $14.18. APDN. 1418 APDN pick right here, number 1 pick on 1115 at $3.99. There's a new one in that. Here we go, 626, $3. Applied DNA Sciences, got that one. Oh, look at this one. Ross, I have a copy of him when he's trading APDN right here through 990, calling it out for a Heinz. On this day, APDN up 6,000 for Ross, trading it right through Heinz, $9. Amazing. That's what came up when I did a search. Amazing. FRSX swing pick is $1.83 at that particular time. But my swing pick on FRSX is right here at 94 cents. It's called Foresight Autonomous ADR, an Israeli-based company that designs, commercializes 3D multi-camera based driver assistance systems. How sick is that? Stock's going to break out with a bang through $1.04, based there on the bottom, through $1.26 and $1.27 3 times. Look at that. On 587 increase in volume and 4 million shares versus a 500,000. Increase earnings estimates for 2 years, 30 million in the float. Stocks ready to rip, 94 cents on 510 of 220. MOJO FRSX right there. And FRSX on the gainer at $1.83. 100% winner. Heat Biologics, HTBX. Let me show you on the Mojo Swing where I've had Heat Biologics picked for the team. Right here was the last time and this time. Heat Biologics was right here. Stop play one direction only. at 249. It traded 20 million shares, up 1,544%. Okay? Up amazing on volume. I'm like, dude, this is a great pick. They had no revenues, none. All of a sudden, they made some money. 99 relative strength, riding up into $4. Increased earnings estimates for 2 years. And the last one had 30 million. This one has 23 million in the float. Stock tripled. Here it is again, Heat Biologics. Look at the stock, what it did. It went boom. It went boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Went from 265 to 332 to 450. Thank you. Next one on the list is ACRX. See it? ACRX on the Trade Ideas scanner. Mojo Swing Pick. ACRX right here. My number 2 pick on right here at 394 was the last time I picked that. But I had one recently in conjunction with that. Look at this. New CEO. Increased earnings estimates. 44 million in the float. Low and a high. Banging through both of these right here on the way up. See it? Increased earnings. Increased volume from 3.6 million versus 500. Now they put that up there. They used to not put that up there. Mojo in the old school. MVIS, Mojo Swing Pick. MVIS. See how it's delayed? If I called out picks, I could front run everybody. MVIS right here. Couple of times. MVIS at 203, breaking that 3 in 2014 was the first time I played it. And right here again, Microvision. In 2017, 4 quarters of increased earnings estimates. Beautiful. Banging up. 51 million in the float. Increased estimates. Increased volume. Banging through both of these. Stock skyrocketed. MVIS. DPW, just picked recently many times for the Mojo Swing. This year as well with Bitcoin. Last time DPW was on the roster. DPW was right here on 10/25 of 2019. Base breakout, nothing happening in it right here. You could see insider buying. 1.2 million in the float. I know what's going to happen with the company. They're going to grow with Bitcoin, making 159% increases. Volumes increased 66% to 1 million. It's at $1.45 DPW. It ripped after that. Right now it's at a 231. Blink 645. Look at the Blink pick. BLNK. Picked it at $1. Here's the last one. On 619, Blink. Right there. Here's Blink again. Blink again. Blink again. Okay. So Blink in the old days right here, I made $1,315. You could see right here, the stock made a move from here to here, which was $1.80 to $3.80. That's a 2-point move right there. I traded solo with it, guys. Look. And Diana Container Ships, Blink, and TTNP, Tetraphase Pharmaceuticals. I know every company. No one knows more than the Moj. Here's my pick sent out to Mojo Swing on May of 2018 on Blink and Blink warrants. Right here. Blink and Blink warrants with some news on it. Looking for a big move on the Blink. Here's Blink charging at 275 right here. See it? Blink. This was the most recent pick right here at 275. Increased earnings estimates, 26 million in the float. Sounds familiar. Bang through the top of both of these three right here. Stocks at 6 from 275. Traded 100,000. It does that every 5 minutes now. And there's the blink at 250 on 619 of 220. If you were in my newsletter, you got that newsletter, guys. And you tripled your money. Next one down is SEAL. S-E-E-L. Told you I wasn't joking. I got 14 picks of mine on the gainers list for that. Here's SEAL. SEAL was picked at 86 cents on 11/17 of 2019. Record 4.4 million in revenues, going up against 224 loss. Quarter easily beat it with a 999% increase. Increased earnings estimates for next year. Heinz a buck play. Set a trail. Touches 11. Let's see how high it can go at 86 cents. SEAL. SEAL right there is $1.17. NVAX is the next one on the list. Check out NVAX. NVAX is at 130. I picked it at $4.85. Show you how many times I've picked NVAX. The first time I picked NVAX was right here in 2013. One of the first newsletters that I ever sent out. And the comic was Show Me the Money. Show me the money. Let's see the money. So I had WebMD, PEIX, NVAX looking for the move through 350. See it? NVAX looking for the move through 350. I had my number one pick was ZGNX at $1.70. Then ADAT at 92 cents. My number 3 pick was Constellation Energy. My number 4 pick was Delcath Systems. My number 5 pick was Miller Energy. My number 6 pick was MyTech Systems. And then you have a watch list on Atos and Sol. Watch list on HMX and MGCD, and a watch list on Rick's Cabaret. Remember Rick's? Look at my logo at the time. Mojo Swing Trade Newsletter, picks by Pro Trader Mike. Look how old that is. Here's NVAX at $2. Here's NVAX at $5, breaking my stage of first, second, and third on the rise. Here's a cup and handle, increased earnings estimates right here on a 95 relative strength with insider buying, with increased earnings estimates. Stocks at 5, it's at 130. Then you have, here's NVAX at 7, and there's it at 4. On 11/29 of 2019 at 485, on 462% increase in volume. There's the pick. On 11/29 of 2019, it's at 130 right now. NVAX right there. 11/29 of 2019 newsletter. The next one is SINT, S-I-N-T. You can't join the newsletter anymore. That deal's gone, guys. You could have joined the newsletter and the trade room as a combo, and that's gone too now. SINT, right here and right here. SINT at $2.70, traded it right here, and here it went from $2.50 to $3.75 in the MOJO Day Trade Room on August 15th of 2019, the MOJO Day Trading Show. The next one under that is Chris and UAVS. Chris is a little great stock. Traded that one many times. Chris in 2014 was $1.83. Then it was $2.02 in 2016. Same exact pattern. Look. Here's the go through. Volume coming in. Insider buying. Larger company, 120 million. Increased earnings estimates. 4 good quarters, called a Ken Slim system, increased volume, off to the races. There you go, curious. And then at $1.70 again, right there, off to the races. Increase earnings, $33 million, 4 quarters, increase estimates, heading through 2. Easy as pie. The next one on the list is UAVS. This was in last week's newsletter, in Sunday's newsletter, UAVS. UAVS was in Sunday's newsletter on 7/10 at $1.94. Here you go. 39 million, couple of good quarters, 99 relative strength, new CEO, been to 515, based out right here, headed back through 2 on 42 million. Do I need to say more? At $1.94, stocks at $3.65. This was a week ago. KOPN at $1.93. Copen. Copen. So let me show you. So that was today. This was yesterday. Look, I do something on the golf course. Now they're doing ads on the golf course. The new guys. It's me after trading Tesla. 500 points I made on Tesla.
There we go. Had to double tap that baby. Great Monday. Trading Tesla. And right now I'm on the golf course. I'm going to start out right here.
No one's out there. Look at that. I'm the only one.
These are my sticks. Got the Scott Cam putt. Got the APs.
Titleist AP1s.
The 4 wedges. SMAs.
My SMAs. 60, 56, 52, and 48.
And I got the drive, the big version.
Oh, the great big. So good. Secret weapon. I don't even want to show it to you. And my woods.
3, wood 7. I even have 4 iron, so I can't.
Got the 4 iron too.
Set of clubs. That's what I got going on. This beautiful course right here. The life of a day trader. What I do is I trade stocks in the morning. I'm aligned with a private investment firm that supplies capital to the traders that are in my program, because there's a lot of great traders in the program. And what happens is traders, 9 out of 10 fail, so they open up accounts at firms, and then they go through all this customer support, and they wind up blowing up. So the firms don't like that. The firms like the MOJO traders because 9 out of 10 win.
Yeah.
So those are traders that they want to accommodate, make sure that they're in the right space because they stayed there for a long time. MOJO has a system to win in the stock market, and today it was just an amazing display of it in the MOJO Chapter. So check out what I have down here below in the links, and on my Twitter, follow me, Pro Trader Mike, and I'm going to go hit some great shots.
Yeah.
Peace, guys.
So guys, this is what happens. So you have this whole pool of traders, and they're in this pool. Here they all are. Thousands and thousands of day traders are in this pool, right? So let's say there's a clean 10,000 a day that join from day trading now, from online, okay? As you could see, like Ross and the big firms, they get everybody. So they'll get 9,975 new people. And hey, my man, just give me a couple more minutes out there, all right? And then right there, let me just turn this on. They get all these accounts, 9,000 accounts, and then the firms trade against them, and the mods trade against them. So they're lifting this big weight, and then all the money gets squeezed out of all these accounts. because 9 out of 10 lose. So out of here, only 900 lose, 900 win, and 9,100 lose. You know what I'm saying? And then they make all the money. And the mod does. And now you got Mojo. Mojo, as you can see, only got no viewers. And on Twitter right now, you could see social media, there's no one. Autoclease is here. Hey, Autoclease. My regular. You know what I'm saying? So, there's the two. Here's the pool. Mojo has nobody watching. So Mojo's got like 10 people a day. But it's more like a month for me. Them, it's a day. And out of my 10, 8 win. So the firm right here, this firm loves Mojo traders. Because they don't blow up. This firm, firm 1, you come there, they spend all this time and you blow up and you lose your account in 2 days. You love pressing the button. And this firm, with the Mojo traders, after taking my course, love you. You stay. And your account grows exponentially. What's the difference? Right there. There you can plainly see. Yeah, ramble shortened. Nice. Back pain's gone now. Here, 11 picks the other day on the Trade Idea Scanner in the Mojo Swing. 11 of my picks. 11 of my picks. Check that out. Don't come back up for a while. You know what? I really don't like anyone want my 13-year-old boy? I don't really. I don't like him. He don't like me. Everything I say he doesn't do. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, right? Boxel, my size, OSS, just keep on making money with the stocks. I'm in my sanctuary. Everybody have that problem? The world outside that door is crazy, and you come in, it's like in the Mojo room right here. Sanctuary, you listen to me, you hang out with the rest of the crew. We've been trading together right here, all of us, for years. I'd love for you to come in. There's gonna be some new programs going up this weekend. Be sure to check that out. Love to have you aboard. Definitely check out my website. It's going to be changing. You get in on some of that action like this. 11 picks on that day. What about the day before? How many picks I have on that day? It's like my daily thing. How many on my Trade Ideas Scanner? Look at Bobo, and he's in the wrong basket. I love him. Here's when I traded Tesla. Well, hey, Pro Trader Little Franco, congratulations for graduating Mojo University. Here's my Bitcoin. I bought August of 2016. 10 coins at 980. It's worth 9,283, 92,000. Here's a good day. 44,000. Wafu 21, Wimmy 21, and MGM 500. Did bad in my golf yesterday. Last round was 2 under. This past round, I shot a couple over. So pissed. I played like shit. It was a good day. Another good day. Alright. Guys, I'd love for you to follow me on Twitter, 55,000. You want to see one of my new followers, Mike D? Check him out, dudes. Where's Mikey D? Mikey. Here he is. Look at Mikey D, guys. Right here, this is Mikey D. From right here, Mikey D. From the Nash. Palm Beach National Golf. What's this one? Nice crush. What is he? Looks like a pro golfer. What hole is this? This is hole. House is there. Tee here. Oh, this is the back. On the back side. It's not working. Alright guys, that's about it for this Friday. It's been a tremendous week. Let me just do a little crippy nippy kind of outlook right here. Whoops. It's a little loud, I'm sorry. Alright, so we've got a couple. Bitcoin is 91.64. Let's see which in the last hour has the highest percentage gain. Advanced Interblocks. Someone put $8,000 into it. It's crap. $8,000. It's crap. AXLQ. Someone put $6,000. It's crap. 76. Here's one. $200,000 into this coin. Ergo. $670,000 into Whitecoin. And this one, $2.7 million into WAN chain. Let's look at WAN chain. 24 cents. It's up 14%. Ooh, it's been as high as $9. Ranked 152. Open Finance connected. Blockchain technology is rapidly changing the world, but public and private blockchain networks are still operating in isolation and must be connected. Open Finance does that. Multi-blockchain financial superhub. Join wide area networks connecting the world's local networks. WeChain, nice. So you know what this company is doing? You create a proxy on the chain. Let me show you what that is. So that right here, if you go into all coins and you look at like Bitcoin, and you go to the exchanges, look how many exchanges right here the coins trade on, where we only trade on one exchange. Spot exchanges, derivative exchanges, see? Binance. This exchange today did $3.6 billion in volume in the last 24 hours trading. This coin has done $2.1 billion. Coinbase Pro, which is the trading platform for Coinbase, is the third most popular. And the website traffic factor and the average liquidity. But you have hundreds and hundreds, and all of them are competing for everyone's business. So instead of one firm and one exchange taking all the fees, there are no fees. The fees are tiny and everybody wants a little piece of it to make it decentralized and fair. You have 310 exchanges to pick from, to trade stocks on. Here you have coins. It's the best. So this is what the stock market's going to turn into, is a bunch of segregated spot exchanges. And companies like this connect it all together. The WAN token. And that's it, guys. So it's been nice spending the Friday with you. I really appreciate it. I want to thank you. At the end of my show, you'll see 2 other videos that'll be popping up. Check those out. I hope you join over the weekend and before the website changes at MOJODayTrading.com. I hope to get you aboard. Can you believe Ramble's 32? Can you believe Ramble's 32? Look what Ramble just did, dude. Look what Ramble just did. Ramble just broke out from 23 and it went up 9 points just in the last couple of minutes as we've been speaking. How sick is that? How crazy awesome is that? On that awesomeness, we can end, because that's just freaking awesome, dude.
Wow, 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 wow! Stupendously sweet!
I nailed that stock.